Now we're going to glaze our Death by Chocolate cake with a ganache glaze. I've warmed my ganache glaze up again so that it'll be more pourable. We're going to pour this over so that it totally coats the cake. Using a rubber spatula, pour all the glaze into the middle and work your way to the edges. We'll take all of it. With a metal spatula, I'm going to just coax the glaze over to the edge. You can turn the cake while you do it, just so that it will drip down the edges. Let's see, it's starting to just drip down the edges. Okay, you just coax it over there to the edge and just lightly. And then take the spatula and spread it. If you need a little more, you just push a little bit more over the edge and gently spread it around. Get a beautiful, glossy coating with this ganache glaze. Here we go. Just coax it around the edge. Coax it around the edge and spread it gently. Don't worry if it gets a little messy around the edge. We'll wipe that later. And turn the cake. Just push it over the edge and spread it. You don't want to push too much over the edge or you'll end up with a big puddle on the plate. So we're just very gently coaxing it over the edge and then spreading what comes down. This is how we'll coat this whole cake. There we go. Almost around the edge. Okay, just check all the way around to see if we've covered everything. Oops. Oh, I'll clean that up later. And just smooth around the edge and give it one more smoothing on the top. Before we put our chocolate roses or chocolate leaves on there, we're going to let this cool completely.